Okay, I'm going to show you how to clean your Samsung Twin Cooling Plus from about year 2015. So this got some sauce underneath the glass, and I'll show you how to fix that. Okay, I'm going to use this door key. There are these two tabs back here that hold the piece of glass in place. You see the tab, right? Let me put it on pause and get the tab up. Okay, it is lifting. You have to be gentle. You don't want to break them because they pop out like that. See? Put it up there. Okay, finally got this one. Gently. There we go. And so we got both of our little tabs. Now, last time I cleaned this, I didn't put the glass all the way down. So, there we go. It just raises up. See, on this side, the glass kind of goes, it has a point, and it goes into this curve. And once you get the tabs up, those come right out. So I just need to slide it to the right to get this tab out. We are moving, so everything's gone out of the house, and I just realized how gross the refrigerator is. So I'm going to use what I just found, an Allen wrench, to pry the glass up. My light has turned off because I've had the doors open so long. So I'm just going to slide this glass out now and clean it up. Okay, I got all the grime off. Now I'm just going to shine it up with some vinegar cleaner. Okay, now for the interior. So those little tabs are a well-kept secret. They just hang out in the back, but you have to be very careful when you are prying them out. So I'm going to use my natural vinegar cleaner. This is gross. It doesn't look like much, but when you start putting it on a white paper towel, it's pretty gross. It's like crumbs and soy sauce and hot sauce and mustard. When you live in a house full of boys, you got to do this like every couple of months. This is always fun. So the model of the refrigerator, if you have this issue, is a Samsung. If you have one like it, it's called the Twin Cooling. It's got the door here that opens. It's about a little over 10 years old, probably. But that is how you get the glass out. Hold on. Okay, there's one other little issue, and I think I've discovered a hack. This is like a little crevice that you cannot, the food is stuck because of the way they have this drawer put together. And instead of try to break the front off the drawer, I'm just going to use my sprayer. It worked. Okay, so it's looking a lot better. So here's your little tabs. Just want to be extra careful with those. Okay, when you're putting it in, you want to slide it into the front corners first, because there's that little scalloped area. So got it in place, so I'm going to slide it into the corner on both sides this time, and angle it down. Drop it in place and try not to pinch yourself. Okay, so this time we got it in there proper. While we're here, let's look. This was manufactured in September of 2016. I was totally correct about the age. All right, so much better. Now I'm going to put the little tabs. Here's my little tabs. Okay, so now let's put the little tabs back in. You just go in and straight down. See, they have a little bevel right there in the spot, and then you just push straight down. Now, much better, yay. Okay, so now maybe the family can do a better job and keep it clean and not drop the food under the glass all the time. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Bye. Fun fact, we've had this refrigerator for 10 years and I just discovered we never took all the packing tape off.